Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Shilji Stock Express. Today we are diving into the recent results of Utkarsh Small Finance Bank, ESAF Finance Small Bank and few other companies. So what are small finance bank? These are banking entity designed by RBI to provide to unbanked and unbanked regions of India. Generally, they target those customers which has not been part of our financial system through normal commercial banks. So let's start with Utkarsh Small Finance Bank. It was one of the few SFB which performed well in Q1. This quarter, the gross loan book raised by 30% almost. It grew by 31% in Q1. Their deposit grew by 35% YOY in Q2. It was around 30% in Q1. So the deposit growth is much better from the last quarter. The CASA deposit grew by 37% and now is at 19.6% of total deposit, a growth of 60 bps point from last quarter. All in all, a decent sets of number. Now let's look at the troubled bank in this sector, ESAF Small Finance Bank. It is going through difficulties and stress due to its huge exposure to microfinance. The deposit grew by 24% in Q2 for this bank, while it was 33%. So deposit has slowed down for it. The CASA reduced rate at around 24%, up from 23.6% of last quarter. So they have increased their cost effective funds. The total loan book grew by 12%. This growth was 14% in last quarter. So the loan book growth has slowed down. The gold loan book grew by 59%, while the retail and other grew by 51%. But their majority part, the micro loan book, grew only by 10%. The return on equity has been falling for last 4 full quarter, while at the same point the asset quality has been deteriorated, which you can observe by rising GNPA. All in all, we have to observe what's the management commentary on the microfinance sector, what they see for the next few quarters. So that's all for these two small finance bank. Now let's move to some few FMCG companies updates. Let's begin with Dabur. The Dabur management expect to post single digit decline in their consolidated revenue. The reason which was given by them is that there is an inventory buildup in general trade. This happens because there was disproportionate increase in organized channel by e-commerce and quick commerce, which led to inventory buildup in general trade. What is general trade? That dealer, wholesale, dealer, distribution channel. So to ease their pain, the company has decided to reduce bit of their trade with them so that they can clear off of their inventory. Contrast that to the Marico management. The Marico management expect the domestic business to grow by mid single digit volume growth, while Saffola also posted low single digit volume growth. As per Marico, the Parachute coconut oil posted mid single digit volume growth. Along with that, they also had some value growth, which result in a double digit revenue growth for Parachute segment. The value added hair oil segment has not seen much growth because of the competition pressure. The international business delivered robust low teen constant currency growth, with each of the market contributing positively. Bangladesh posted high single digit growth, demonstrating the strong resilience of their business model in a very challenging environment. We all know what is going on in the Bangladesh. The regime changes happen, the factories are not working at their full capacity. So it's a commendable job by the Marico enterprise. All in all, the Marico management expect a consolidated revenue growth in high single digit. It also expect to deliver double digit growth in this year. So that's for Marico. Now let's look at some of the update from auto segment. The Hero Motocorp September sales grew by 18.8%. This growth was led by bike segment, which grew by 20%, while the scooter segment saw a certain degrowth. So in auto segment, we can see the bike are again showing a growth for the Hero Motocorp. Now let's come to the four-wheeler segment of Maruti. Their sales was up by only 1.9%, up to 1.84 lakhs unit, while the domestic sale was down a bit. So all in all, we can say there is a growth in two-wheeler segment, but four-wheeler segment continue to suffer or degrow, which we can also observe from all the discounts which has been offered recently by Tatas and Mahindra in Mahindra, because they had huge inventory build-up and they wanted to clear all those inventory before the festive season started. So in some case, in fact, a discount of up to 2 to 3 lakh was offered by some OEMs. Thank you friends for watching. Don't forget to like, follow and subscribe for more updates.